Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to install the powertronic for a classic 500. Alright, mine is a 2015 model. In the beginning I had a lot of issues, but since I called these guys up, they helped me out a bit because the instruction is a bit confusing. Back to it. This is the powertronic, okay, and the main thing you need to do first is you take out the seat, which is lying right over there. You need to pull off your tank, alright, and you need to take out that piece of metal. It goes around here and here, which holds the engine together to the chassis, right? The fuel connection needs to go off, this coupler needs to go off, plus this coupler needs to go off. Then you pull out your tank from the mounts on this side. Okay, it comes to you like this. Okay, this is a kind of a bracket which you use to put the stuff in. You open it, you connect the port, and then you close it in again. Now this wire will go through your fuse box. It's a bit dark in here, but you see it'll go through the fuse box from here and through the outlet inside, and the wire goes from behind the battery. You got to pull out the battery a bit, and these wires are all, this is the whole harness, right? And they are all labeled in terms of like injector 1, okay, and the TPS actually means throttle something, yeah, throttle body something, okay. And the last one is your SPK1, sorry, the second last one. This is for the sparking box, whatever, what technical name, I have no idea. Also there is a grounding wire which you need to pass through the same fuse box, and then you put it onto your battery, the negative terminal, alright. This won't spark or nothing, not an issue. Open the nut and fasten it together, so this is there. Next, when this wire comes out, you need to pull out the company or the stock injector coupler. Now this is the harness, this is the powertronic harness, alright. You see the wire is different, it's braided. You remove the original one and you replace it with this one, okay, injector, which says here, which says injector on it, injector 1, alright. You put this one over here, and the one, remember these ones have two couplers. Injector 1 and TPS have two couplers. One coupler will fit onto the body itself in terms of the injector, and the other one will go to the stock wiring of your injector. In terms of whichever coupler was fitted onto your injector from the company, the second wire from powertronics will get connected to this one. So you you've connected this powertronic one to the main one, because this one was on the injector one before. This one is removed and is connected to the second port, and the first one, which came with the injector one, I mean the harness only, connects to your injector itself. It's a bit confusing, but it's very actually simple. There's no wire which is left, no coupler which is left empty. Now the second one is for the TPS. The same way, you remove the original one and connect one coupler to the original one, which came along with a TPS wire. Here, TPS wire, alright. And one wire will go onto the throttle body itself, right over here. It fits, so you don't have to force anything. It will slide in very easily. So you don't need to force, so you know you're putting the right thing in. Secondly, you need to just pull them out nicely. I've removed all the couplings from here to make it easy and easy to clean and work with. Then what happens is, this is a tricky one over here. This one is a stock coupler, okay. This was connected to the spark box, or whatever you call it. This was initially connected right over here. What we had to do is, there is the harness which came along with this one. It's called the SPK1, okay. This one connects right over here. What you need to do is you need to tap it. Now these clips come along with these guys. They send it along with the box. Look at the color coding. This is very important, okay. Now turn around a bit. You see the orange one connects with the red one, and the yellow one connects with the white and red one. White and red is coming from your bike itself, okay, and the orange one is also coming from your bike itself. That is a stock harness, alright. Now this is tapping into this connection, and then this is left blank, which you need to seal off later so you don't get any issues or whatever. And the one which comes with the harness, with the powertronic harness, connects to your switch box, I mean your spark box right over here. I didn't connect this one, I connected this one first. That is why I'm having some issues starting the bike. Since I move this one over here and I made changes over here like I told you before, things will get alright. Now all you need to do is put your tank back and try to see if things are working fine. Hey guys, so that was a brief of the video since it was first time making a video, so apologize for that, but anyhow, this is how I did it, and I hope you guys have an easier time than I did, and I hope you enjoy the installation. Alright, cheers.